To change the oil on an SSR 300, you need to remove 5 bolts. So there's 2 right here. 1, 2. That behind there is an oil filter, stainless steel. Just need to rinse it off. This bolt, there'll be another screen type filter. And underneath, there's a bolt here. That's a drain. And on the other side, there's a bolt here. That's also has a screen in it that needs to be cleaned. So 4 areas, 5 bolts, since one has 2 bolts to get it off. And you just drain all the oil, put all the bolts back in, and then fill the oil.